Hi, this is Nanette Hosenfeld with the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Tuesday, June 7th, 2016. Over the next few days, the main fire potential impacts will be from gusty winds and low relative humidity. Beginning on Wednesday, we'll start to see winds increase across western Nevada, and as we move into Friday, those winds will continue to increase and spread eastward across the Great Basin. And so by Thursday and Friday, we will see gusty winds across much of Nevada, western Utah, and southwestern Idaho. One of the main concerns with these winds is the number of lightning strikes that we've had recently. And so with gusty winds and low relative humidity, we could see some holdover fires. Over the past 24 hours, there has been a fair amount of precipitation across the Great Basin, mainly focused across about the northern half of the Great Basin. The image on the right shows where the lightning has been, and you can see that the lightning has been mainly across northeastern Nevada and portions of northern Utah and central and southern Idaho. There have been some new fires across the Great Basin. The map on the left is our new fire activity map, and the sizes of the circle reflects the size of the new fires. And the red circles are our new fires. And there have been a few new fires across southwestern Idaho, northern Nevada, and northern Utah. These seem to correspond somewhat with lightning. The image on the right shows the lightning over the past 72 hours, and there really has been quite a bit of lightning across the Great Basin. Now these areas on the lightning map that are lit up are really the main areas of concern moving into Thursday and Friday with the gusty winds and low relative humidity that we are expecting to develop. ERCs are on the rise, as you would expect with the hot and dry weather that we've seen recently. Much of the southern part of the Great Basin is in that 50th to 70th percentile range, and some of our stations across the northern Great Basin are beginning to rise into that range as well. The water vapor satellite shows a weak low pressure system across northern Utah, and that will bring the lightning that we are expecting today. That system will begin to move eastward through the day today. A significant fire potential is low to moderate across much of the Great Basin, with the highest fire potential across the southern part of the Great Basin where it has been the hottest and the driest. This afternoon we will see showers and thunderstorms develop across much of the Great Basin. The areas highlighted in green on the map on the left show where those showers and thunderstorms are expected. Most of these storms will be wet. Winds will be a little gusty this afternoon. The strongest winds will be across western Nevada, and in general, wind gusts will be below 30 miles an hour. Moving into Wednesday, that high pressure begins to move east, allowing winds to increase across western Nevada. The map on the right shows those wind gusts, and they will begin to increase in speed on Wednesday, mainly across western Nevada. Precipitation will decrease on Wednesday as we see warming and drying. Precipitation will decrease on Wednesday as drier air begins to move into the area. Moving into Thursday, that high pressure continues to move eastward, allowing winds to further increase across the Great Basin. The map on the right again shows wind gusts, and you can see those speeds are expected to continue to increase, as well as increase eastward across the Great Basin, encompassing more of Nevada and moving into western Utah. By Thursday, pretty much precipitation will be confined mainly just to the higher terrain of central Utah, portions of Idaho. 3-day precipitation accumulations really highlight, the fact that eastern part of the Great Basin will see the majority of the precipitation over the next 3 days. On Friday, the low pressure system will begin to move into the Pacific Northwest, and we will continue to see winds increase across the Great Basin. This will pull moisture up into the area, and we could see some showers beginning across portions of Utah on Friday with the increasing moisture. As we move into Saturday, that low pressure system will continue to make its way into the Great Basin, and we will see temperatures beginning to cool Friday and Saturday with that low pressure system moving into the area. On Sunday, that will brush by to the north of the area, bringing temperatures close to normal, maybe a little bit below normal. And that continues into Monday with our temperatures right around normal. As far as 7-day precipitation accumulation, really the northern 2/3 of the Great Basin will see precipitation over the next 7 days, with most of that coming in the next 2 days. Finally, in the 8 to 14 day period, the Climate Prediction Center is calling for below normal temperatures across the entire Great Basin, with above normal precipitation across the northwestern third and normal precipitation across much of the rest of the area. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our information is on the screen, and you can also find us on Twitter. Thanks.